Whoops. This is welcome to a P-Raw dinner check-in on Friday, the 30th of September 2022. Got some mixed greens. Oops, cut. That's right, thought something went wrong with my phone. Strange. Anyway, yeah, the light is on. Got the nuts going on. Throw them on. I usually do this with like potatoes. Again, like mixed greens and veggies or whatever, with like store-bought hummus or something. Made my own hummus, tin of chickpeas, some of that turmeric sauerkraut. Didn't have any fresh lemon or anything, so I used Frank's chili and lime sauce. Added a little bit of salt and got fresh garlic in there as well, and it's pretty good consistency, as you can see. Yeah, proper hummus, that'll do. Frozen veggies around the side here. Frozen veggies, red onion, favourite black beans. There's not a big pile, there's some couscous underneath there. And then we floated around the top, you guessed it. No, you didn't. If you said Frank sauce, you're wrong. We used the Nando's. I bought the Nando's, oh no, I haven't used it this time. This is the medium Nando's sauce, and then I've gone and bought, pardon me, for a change, the Nando's garlic sauce. They're about 5 or 6 quid, but it's a darn big bottle. So that's a P-Raw dinner check-in. Get on it. Be good to yourself. And I love it. 100% your responsibility, your life is. No one's coming to save you. Not even any of your family members. It's all your responsibility. Got to look after yourself. If you don't look after yourself, think about what's going to happen. You're going to put your faith in people that really don't give a shit about you, right? Shit can happen. But it's a start to start taking it serious, isn't it? However that might be. However small steps that might be. P-Raw coming up, well, I think it is coming up 10 years deep. We're just trying. That's all we're doing. Trying my best to do better than my best, as I said yesterday. So, yeah, we'll leave it on that. Ciao for now. Is that a good dinner or what? Is it? Tell me. God. It is good. This is good. Good. It is very good.